So today I'll be showing you how to recover deleted posts and Instagram Reels on your Instagram account. So let's say you've recently deleted a reel or a post on Instagram and then you've had a change of heart. You can actually recover that particular post within 30 days. So to do that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button at the top there, and then select your activity. Under your activity, you should see a section called removed and archived content, and under that you should see recently deleted. Now if you tap on that, you'll see all the posts you've deleted within the last 30 days. So we have reels here, and also this works for stories as well. So you can see these are stories I deleted recently, and then normal posts or reels are going to be in that particular section. So to recover a deleted Instagram reel, you can see this one has 30 days, and after 30 days I will not be able to recover it. So to recover this one, simply tap on it, tap on this three dot menu here, but this three dot button, and then select restore, and then confirm you want to restore that particular reel or post, and it's gonna get restored to the profile. Okay, now it's gonna disappear from this page, and now it will go back to my profile, as you can see. So here it is, back on my profile. Same goes for Instagram stories, recently deleted. So go to the same page, your activity, recently deleted, and now we can see we have only we have these Instagram stories that are recently deleted. So to recover, simply tap on it, tap on the three dot button, and tap on restore, and that's going to restore the story. Now it says if you shared this story within the past 24 hours or added it to your story highlights, people will be able to see it and interact with it again. If you deleted it from your archive, it will be restored to your archive. So that's basically how to restore deleted posts and Instagram Reels on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.